Hi friends, today we're making a simple granola recipe. This is super delicious, it's very inexpensive, and it's a great pantry staple to have on hand. You can add nuts, coconut, seeds, dried fruit, whatever you want, but today I'm just keeping it real basic. The first thing you're going to do is put your brown sugar in a pan on the stovetop and turn your heat setting to medium heat. Then go ahead and add your honey. And your oil or melted butter. You can use whatever oil you want, coconut, vegetable. I used vegetable oil here just because that's what I have on hand. So now you're going to stir it really well until it's combined and just let it sit on the stove until it's melted. Don't take your eyes off it though, because you don't want the sugar to burn. While your sugar mixture is starting to melt, this is a good time to put your oats in a big bowl and also add the cinnamon and just give it a little mix. While your sugar mixture is finishing up, this is looking really good as it is, but it needs a few more seconds. I'm going to take a cookie sheet or a bar pan or whatever you might have on hand and line it with foil or parchment paper. Then I add just a little bit of vanilla to the sugar mixture and stir that in for a few seconds, and then I also add my salt to this as well. Now take your melted sugar mixture and pour it into your bowl of oats. Be really careful guys, this is really hot. Now mix really well until your oats are completely covered with the sugar and honey mixture. This is what it should look like once it's combined. Now you're ready to pour it into the baking sheet. So just pour it onto the sheet and even it out into one single layer. Just do your best, it doesn't have to be perfect. Your oven should be preheated to 250 degrees, and you're going to put your granola in for 20 minutes and then take it out, give it a quick stir, and put it back in for another 20 minutes. Now you're going to do this for about an hour until the granola is a golden brown. So after an hour, this is what your granola should look like. Now the only thing left to do is break up your granola into the traditional bite-sized granola pieces. I found the easiest way to do this is just to take a clean tea towel, put it over the top of the granola, and take a rolling pin and just bash it, for lack of a better word. Now you don't want to completely annihilate your granola, you want those chunky pieces, so just give it a soft bash and then take a look and see how it looks. Take a spatula and just start to break it up, because the rolling pin should have loosened it some. So you can do it as much or as little as you want depending on the size of pieces you need. Mine looks really good, so now I'm just going to put it into an airtight container and save it for another day.